Hi, welcome. Today in this video, we will see RAINTECH Software Limited office, how it is functioning. And in this area, you will see this primary support team, and they will receive all the calls, your inquiries, new inquiries, technical clarifications issues, everything. They will receive the call here, and they will distribute the tickets to the concerned departments. And we have two service team is there. One is general service and one is primary service team. These people, they are handling primary service concerns. Primary service means the people who is, for example, you purchase the software from us. You need first 10 days, 15 days dedicated service like spoon feed service required. For that, these people, they will continuously call back to you and they will communicate you. And they will install. These people is connected with this primary team. So primary team, what will do? They will do the installation, they will do the training, they will do the hardware settings like printers and all. This all team is primary team. You can see over here. Again, we will go to this side, and this is our account side. And these people, they will do installation your hardwares like printers, the printer design, templates and all. This build templates and all, they will do design as per their requirement. For example, some people, they need a customized template, customized barcodes, everything. So this department is particularly for that. And if you are coming to the next section, this is all general service teams. For example, you are an old customer. For those customers, for example, small doubts, or for example, if you need any reinstallation or something like that, this people will manage. Up to here, those people are sitting like that. So this is the general service team. And if you are come to this side, some people, they will do database settings. This is people, they are doing sales. They have, for example, new inquiry events you put over there. This team, they will call you back. They will give all the support for you for the sales. And here we have some programming team, and here also some programming team. And here our quality control team is there. Quality, for example, if you make any query to RAINTECH Software Limited, these people, they will call back to clarify your whether you get proper service or no, such kind of things. Here our logistics team, and these people, they will work for you and they will help you for the software installation, training and all. For example, if you are started a supermarket and grocery, whatever it is, if you want to make such hardware setup or software setup for your retail business, of course you can contact RAINTECH Software Limited, and our team, myself, is here to ready to help you. Thank you. Bye-bye.